Hey art friends, today we are going to draw a haunted doghouse.
Yeah, I'm so excited to start drawing more Halloween stuff, and this is going to be a new favorite. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers and marker paper, but you can use whatever you have at home. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first start with our ghost dog. We're going to draw a little nose, and we're going to draw it in the middle of our paper, but towards the bottom. And I'm going to draw it right about here, in just a little circle. Then we're going to draw the mouth. We'll draw a curve going to the left, and also a U shape going to the right. Then let's draw our dog's eyes. I'm going to draw a circle on the left and a circle on the right. I might make these a little bit bigger. There we go. And there we go. Then let's color in these shapes. Now let's draw our ghost dog's head. We're going to start here and draw a curve going over the eyes. Then we're going to draw the ears, and we'll draw them coming out and down on both sides, out and down. Yeah, and then right at the end, you can draw them curving back into the head. Then we'll draw the body coming down on each side. And it can also curve out too at the very bottom. Then we're going to connect each side. We're going to draw a wiggly line over and connect. Okay, now let's draw the doghouse. We're going to start by drawing the door, and we can also do overlapping in between the ears or behind the ears. We'll start here and we're going to draw a straight line up. Then we're going to imagine it going behind the ear. We're going to draw it curving over our dog and then coming back down. And I'm going to connect to the ear too. And then imagine it going behind the ear and coming down. Yes. And we can go just past our ghost so that our little friend is floating. Then we're going to draw the ground, and we're going to draw it starting here. We're going to come all the way over past on the other side too. Oh, let's add another frame or another upside down U shape right next to the first one for a little detail on our doghouse. Then we can also draw a pumpkin. Let's draw one right here. I'm going to draw a oval or circle shape. I'm going to do another one over here on this side too. It's a little bit bigger. Then let's draw a little funny face for our pumpkin. I'm going to draw one like this, and maybe this one's winking. Oh, and we got to draw the stems. Let's draw a rectangle shape on top. Nice, now we have our pumpkins. Let's draw the rest of our doghouse. We're going to draw a line coming straight up from this pumpkin. Now I'm going to stop right in line with the door. And then we'll do the same thing right here to match. Let's also add a little skull on top of our doghouse. I'm going to draw two eyes right in the middle. And then we can draw the circle or part of a circle going around for the head. And then we're going to draw three U shapes connecting for the teeth. Okay, now let's draw the roof. Let's draw an imaginary line right through the center of our doghouse, and we're going to draw a point, a guide point. Then we're going to start at that guide point, and we're going to connect and go past the side of the doghouse. And then we can do the same thing on the right side to match. Now let's draw a diagonal line coming up on each side, short one. And we're going to draw the roof coming up to a point and down to match. Let's add shingles on top of our roof. I'm going to add another layer that's smaller, coming down and ending. We can also add the little short lines for the shingles going up and coming down. What's our doghouse missing?
A chimney.
Oh yeah. Let's add two lines on the side. Don't draw a line across to connect. And then two shorter lines up. And then connect those lines. Let's add a zigzag line on the side for weeds or grass. We can also add a spider coming down. There's the web. And then we'll draw a circle in, color it in. And then we need 4 little legs on each side. What else should we add?
More ghosts.
Oh yeah, and our friends could add whatever they want. You could add ghosts, bats, or even a moon. Let's add just some ghosts. We're gonna add one right here. I'm gonna draw it curving up, around, and then back into the roof. Then we can add a spooky face for our ghost. And let's draw one coming out this way. And add my spooky face. And then one more coming out of the chimney. And this one is not spooky. This one's happy. And we did it. We finished drawing our haunted doghouse, except we still need to
Color it.
Yes, this part will speed up. So remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. We did it. We finished drawing our haunted doghouse, and I really like this one so much. I think it's a new favorite Halloween lesson.
Mine too. I especially love the ghost dog.
Yeah, I do too. You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring. You could also color it any way you want.
You could also add more Halloween decorations.
Oh yeah, like bats, maybe even more spiders.
Yeah, or a witch.
Oh yeah, maybe the witch is a cat.
We hope you had fun drawing a haunted doghouse.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.